Hi my dear friends, today our lesson is prepositions. We will learn some basic rules of in, on, at. Let's start our lesson. In, while using in, we are adding in front of months. In May, in June, in July, in August, in September, in October, November, December. Before all months, we are using in. And before the dates, before 2002, before 1999, or before 1775, we are using again in. In the summer, in the fall, in autumn, in winter, before seasons, we are using again in seasons. Yes, and in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, we are using again in, and in the past and in the future. We can write in here in the past and in the future. Future and past. Okay, and while we are using on Wednesday, before days, we are using on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, on Friday, on Saturday, and on Sunday, we are using on. On Friday morning, we are using together on Friday morning, on Saturday afternoon, on Sunday evening, on Tuesday night. We are using again on May the 10th. While we are using the date together with 10th, or for instance June 22nd. June the 22nd, we are using on. But while we are using only May, June, July, we are using in. But with date, we are using on. And on the other hand, at is used for at 7 o'clock, at 5 o'clock, at 6 o'clock. With this kind of times, we are using at. At noon, we consider at noon is this time. If you can also say that at noon or at 12 o'clock. At yesterday, or yesterday night. Together, we should use together. Yesterday night, at yesterday night. At 2 o'clock, at midnight, at present. At present means that, present that it means now. At the same time, we are using together at the same time. And at the weekend, we are also using at the weekend, and at Christmas and Easter, we are using all together. Yes, friends, in the second part of our lesson, we will make some examples about prepositions at, in, on. While doing these examples, we can look at this chart and we can fill in the blanks appropriately. Now the first one is made for you. On Saturday, before days we were using on, and before months we are using in. Before dates, in. While we are using the months with times, with dates, so that we were using on, and before again days, we are using on Friday, and in summer, in the morning, at 9 o'clock, Christmas, at Christmas, September the 28th, or 28th of September, we were using again on. 1991 in. We can also write in here 2002. In 2002. And the time again on. But while using only, for instance, in May, in June, in August, but we are using in May, okay, no problem, but 10th, we are writing here on. In the winter, in the evening, this is generally the people learning a second language mixing autumn and August. August is a month. So in August, okay, autumn is a season. It is like fall. In autumn at 2:30, and while we are using on Friday, Saturday afternoon, on Sunday evening, like that, we were using in here on Monday morning, and Easter we were using at before time, again at Thursday before days, on, and noon, so we were using again, look at in here, at. Okay, now we will continue our lesson by solving some multiple choice tests. Now when here multiple choice tests. Now my lesson starts at 5 o'clock. Okay, that's okay. B. My father usually buys a newspaper the morning. We were using the morning, in the morning. And we wear warm clothes. Yes, winter. Or we can also write in, for instance, the other sentences about that, in winter, in summer, in autumn, and in winter. And we get presents Christmas. Think about that. Which can we use, A, B, or C? Yes, of course, B. I usually visit my grandparents Sunday afternoon. We were using on. Dear friends, thank you very much for listening to me. In the future, we will learn lots of units, lots of grammatical rules. Follow me, please.